Hey guys! Boy, this ought to be a good one. Have you seen fire rainbows in the sky this week? This is what they really are and how it happens. Pittsburgh. People in western Pennsylvania have been seeing and sending the WTAE newsroom photos of fire rainbows in the sky Wednesday. That's a good thing. It means people are looking up. People are starting to look up and question what it is they're seeing, okay? But they're getting shot down here because here they come up with a logical explanation of what a chembo is. Pittsburgh's action weather meteorologist explained what these circumhorizontal arcs, also known as fire rainbows, are and how they are formed. It's a rare, excuse me, what's that word? Rare? It does not mean what it used to mean anymore. It's about as rare as a unicorn, and we can't get unicorns out of our freaking sight. You walk into a gas station, you see unicorns. There are unicorns everywhere. Unicorns are no longer rare. So, these fire rainbows, they're not rare. We've been seeing them on a daily basis for at least a solid decade. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay? It's a rare optical phenomenon formed by the refraction of sunlight on ice crystals in cirrus clouds. Basically, the light enters the horizontally oriented, flat, hexagon ice crystals through a vertical side face and leaves through the near horizontal bottom face. Size of the crystal does not matter. The only thing that matters is the orientation. You need the light to come through specific crystals at a specific angle, and that's why they are usually pretty, there's that word, rare. So when aligned, ice crystals act as a prism and the light refracts and is reminiscent of a rainbow. I can comprehend that as legit. The thing is, this is not all legit stuff. These rainbows that we're seeing in the sky are not just rainbows. They're chembos, okay? And so people are finally starting to look up and notice, like, what is this? What is this? It's supposed to be rare, right? But we've got thousands and thousands and thousands of photographs that people take, and they're like, what the hell is this? Okay? There's never on national news anything about, hey, this is common. They're called fire rainbows. No. They're still supposed to be rare phenomenon. Okay? Now these are some images of fire rainbows. I don't think so. This looks like an oil spill. I don't know what this is. That's just insane. I don't even want to comment on that. I don't know what that is. This is pretty cool. Okay. So on one hand, yes, I think like something like that could be what that is. But here, what's this? It's got frickin' wings. Okay? Watch, that's not the best one. Wait till I show you the best one. Here, this is good. You could tell that's just... What the fuck are ice crystals doing so low in the atmosphere? I think they're lowering our atmosphere. I do. We can't see as far up and I don't know. So what was the phrase that they used? Circumhorizontal arc? Circumhorizontal arc. Okay. Is this a circumhorizontal arc? It doesn't look like it to me. It looks like an oil slick. Is this a circumhorizontal arc? Doesn't look like it to me. It looks like somebody went up there and sprayed, zigzagged all over the place, having fucking fun. And it's chemicals. The red is on the top and on the bottom, blue everywhere. So that's not rainbow. That's not a rainbow. That's not ice doing that. I'm sorry. And the word, the definition for circumhorizontal, I can't find it anywhere except circumhorizontal arc. You know, I tried. I really did. And so in this image, this is the circumhorizontal arc. What's this? The Kembo, fighting the weather war with Orgone energy. Let's just see what this says. I don't know. You take the page down? Nope. Welcome to the Kembo, home to weather warriors in California and beyond, raising consciousness while cleaning the atmosphere and neutralizing harmful EMF through Orgone energy. What the fuck? All right, hold up. Let me find something better. Okay. Now this is listed under Kembo chemtrails. So right there, okay? And looky what we have. Well, that would be the halo. Those look like chemtrails, but, you know, this a line of chemtrails, and it just happens to do the same thing, whatever the ingredient is in there. Like, what are these wisps? Where did they come from? You know? So when you see things like this, and then you see rainbows in the sky right afterward, okay, then it's not a rare natural phenomenon anymore. And for people to start asking questions about what they're seeing in the sky is a good thing. And for the media to just put them down, just shut them down with some kind of almost logical explanation, like, get fucking real. And there shall be signs in the sun, and in the moon, and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations, with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring. Look at that. But I guess that's a natural phenomenon. What is all this shit in front of there? Okay? In front of this eye? In front of this eye? I like, psh, no. What the fuck? There's rings in the sky. You know? Is this natural phenomenon? Can they explain all this away? Once again, that's a Kembo. That is not. Here it is coming right out of the airplane. Right out of the chemtrails. You could see how it's rainbow in there. Right out of the airplane. I think that's the same picture manipulated like 3 or 4 times I just seen. Look at that. That's not natural cloud pattern. You know what I mean? Clouds don't form in lines. So, for anybody in Pittsburgh or anywhere else that saw those images and sent them in to WTAE. You know, think twice about believing mainstream media. That's all I got to say. Peace out, guys. God bless.